If your Dell docking station fan keeps running constantly, even when your laptop is idle, it can be both annoying and concerning. You might expect the fan to slow down or stop when there's little activity, but instead it keeps spinning, sometimes loudly. This usually happens due to heat buildup, firmware issues, connected devices, drawing power, or the dock not entering a low power state properly. The tricky part is that the dock doesn't always show clear signs of what's causing the behavior, so it feels like something is wrong internally. The good thing is that in most cases, this isn't a hardware failure and can be fixed with a few simple adjustments. Once you go through the right checks, the fan should return to normal behavior. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect and reconnect the docking station, power, and cable. Step 2. Restart your laptop and docking station. Step 3. Ensure proper ventilation and remove any dust around the dock. Step 4. Update the dock firmware and drivers from Dell's support site. Step 5. Disconnect unused peripherals that may increase power usage. Step 6. Reset the dock by unplugging it for a few minutes, then reconnecting,